Hi guys, this is 2019 Toyota Camry. So this car I'm going to replace for the fuel filter. So it's the coming for the inside of the tank. Okay guys, here's the fuel filter. It's coming like this. It's a brand new Toyota genuine. Okay, you can see the part number in here. It's coming in the underneath of the back seat under, so we need to pull out this whole seat, take it out. You can move the seat like this, so it can see this clip. This one is going to hooking in here, this clip. Then after you have to off the seat belt, you can see in here, see this red clip, you have to push in this one to inside. Okay, so jump out. Now you can take it down the seat. So we're going to off this cover first. So after that we need to off this blue clip. Up. Okay guys, before the remove we have to off this the clip, the white clip. Up. Okay guys, we're going to off this retainer. So you can see the mark in here. It's an arrow mark over there. You have to line up in here. There's another arrow mark in here. You can see this, the triangle mark need to line to here. Okay, in here. So we need this tool. It's called the center wrench, like this. So these two notches is going to one in here, this part, and one goes over here. Let's go like this. Okay, here's the retainer. Take it out the filter. Okay, you can see the filter. Okay guys, you can see the one O-ring in here. So then you have to clean this the edge. Okay guys, we're going to off the filter. Listen, push up. So you can push in here this side. And that side. Take it out. Okay, that's the right side. This is the two clips in here. Side. Okay, so you can see the one close in here, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one we need to off this one. Oops. Okay, it's coming 2 O-rings and 2. This O-ring coming here top. So this one is nothing. So just only coming 3 O-rings. Okay, it's a new fuel filter. Put the lubricant little bit. The O-ring. First put this one. Okay, check, make sure all the clips are locked. Okay, I'll put this one. Okay. Okay guys, we're going to put back the fuel filter. First we put the ring here. Okay, you can see this notch. We have to line to this one, this notch. This thing have to go in here. This one and this one go here. Like this. Now that after this retainer, you can this arrow mark. After that, you put the center ridge. You can turn it. Okay, you can see this mark is lined to there. All good. You can see the clearly. Okay, after that we put back this final clip. It's coming in here. It's lock. After that we close the lid. Before we close the lid, we have to check the start for the car, then check any fuel leaks. Okay guys, car is running fine, no any fuel leaks. You can double check this line is fitting our light. All good. So then after we close the lid, okay guys, we close the lid, then car is running fine. So we check the cluster. So gauge is okay, working fine. So this is the end of video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you next one.